How to add frequently asked questions to your online store on Shopify. So right here from the left hand side, we will click on online store, and then once this pop down menu appears, we will select the option for pages. Now right here we have to click on add page, and the recommendation itself here is FAQ, frequently asked questions. So I'm just going to type this out, and here's where we add our question. So for example, we can do Q, and then should you subscribe, and then we can write A underneath, which is the answer, yes. So you just click on, or you just type out your questions and answers here, and after you have saved this page by clicking on save, you will have successfully created a frequently asked questions page on your Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.